we'll guide you through how to split your screen in Windows 11 for multitasking. If you find this useful, consider liking the video and subscribing. Now, let's get right into the guide. Before you can use split screen in Windows 11, there's a setting that needs to be enabled. So let's do that quickly. So what you need to do is go and tap on Settings like so. Then System. Then click on Multitasking. Then make sure that Snap Windows is enabled. So go and turn this on like so, and there we go. If you click on this arrow here, it's going to expand a few options. So make sure to check all of them like so. Now, this is an important thing to remember before proceeding to split your screen in Windows 11 whenever you need it. So, first, open any window just like I have here. Then, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over the Expand button, located between the Minimize and Close buttons. As you can see, different layout options appear. Windows 11 offers 6 different ways to split your screen, making multitasking much easier. This is especially useful if you want to watch tutorials while working, or manage multiple tasks on your laptop, or you desktop at the same time. So in this case, I want to use the first one, the split screen one. Then I want to go and have this window on the right of my screen. So I'll click here like this. And it will then resize it. And I can choose which task or second window I want to be on the other side. And then you can adjust the windows however you like. You can resize each window by dragging the vertical bar. Just hover over it until the cursor changes, then click and drag to adjust the size like so. Now, if we go back to the top right corner and hover over the Expand button again, we can easily select a different layout. And that's it, guys. Splitting your screen in Windows 11 is that simple. This feature makes multitasking much easier, whether you're working, studying, or following a tutorial while getting things done. If you found this useful, guys, please consider leaving a like and see you soon.